Dude, that's like a mile away from our house. Oh, it's going up. Oh, look at the debris. Oh my God. Oh, it went back down or something. Ooh, that is gonna smoke Winterset. Oh, it's going up. Holy shit. I think it's going up. Oh man. What is it doing? The wind. Oh my God.
Winterset.
Approximately 4:30 p.m. this afternoon, a tornado was reported on the ground on Carver Road, southeast of Winterset. The tornado traveled northeast through Madison County, causing widespread damage to both homes and properties. At this time, we can confirm that we have 6 fatalities, including 4 adults and 2 children under the age of 5. There are also 4 adults injured, 3 that are in serious condition, and 1 that was transferred to one hospital with life-threatening injuries. The Winterset community and Red Cross has set up an emergency shelter at Newbridge Church in Winterset for anyone needing assistance. At this time, Carver Road from Pamela Park Trail to Highway 169 is closed. We're requesting the public to avoid impacted disaster areas to allow emergency responders room to work. Response operations are ongoing, and emergency responders are continuing to assess the impacts from the storm and perform search and rescue operations.